Hello friends, I hope you have a great day ahead. In this video, I want to share a simple yet very profitable strategy with you. First of all, let me say that you can use this strategy on any chart you trade on and test it. Rest assured that it is a profitable strategy. And I will also tell you how you can identify fake and deceptive signals. Easily filter them out and be able to get abundant profits from this strategy. By mastering this strategy, you can achieve very good profits for yourself. I will try to teach you this strategy step by step. So stay with me throughout the video with high attention and focus. As usual, we enter the TradingView website and then select the EUR USD or EUR STR currency pair. I choose it. For this tutorial, I am using the EUR USD symbol and have selected it to teach you. You can test it on any symbol you are trading. Be sure that it works. Now we set our time frame to a 5-minute interval, and it can be profitable on all time frames. For this strategy, we need 3 indicators. 2 of the indicators are for filtering out fake signals that the first indicator might sometimes give us. So stay with me until the end of the video with attention and focus to know how to use these indicators. So I open my list of indicators and search for the term Trader XO Marco Trend Scanner and apply it to the chart once. We don't need to adjust its settings, we leave it as the default and just click OK. This indicator provides us with very simple and clear buy and sell signals that we can use in a straightforward manner and easy to understand for our trading strategies. Now, these indicators, which are essential tools, include 2 separate charts that are based on moving averages. Alright friends, the first one from the top is the slow moving average chart, and the one placed lower, which is the second, is the fast moving average chart. When the indicators cross each other, meaning a crossover occurs between them, they are giving us a signal. If the crossovers are downward and red, they issue a bearish or sell signal to us. For example, here where the crossover has occurred upward and turned green, it shows us the buy and upward signal. Now, how can we use this indicator? When a crossover occurs, for example, here crossovers have happened. To get a sell signal, our candles must definitely be below these 2 lines. And to get a buy signal, our candles must definitely close above these 2 lines. This way, we can earn very good profits. I'll say it again, listen carefully. To make a buy trade, our candle must close above these 2 moving average lines, and to make a sell trade after the crossover of these 2 moving averages, the candle must have come below these 2 lines. After these conditions, we can achieve good profits from this strategy. This indicator is very precise and effective, friends. Now, if you want to use this indicator alone, we might encounter some issues like with other indicators where we receive fake signals. Let me find a place where this has happened. Look friends, for example here, the market has become range bound, and in the range areas or when we have important news that might cause spiky and sharp movements in the market, we can choose not to use this strategy to reduce its risks. Sometimes none of these might happen and we want to get precise signals from this strategy and enter trades more confidently. What do? The list of indicators we open and search for the word MACD. Friends, look carefully at the first one that comes up for us. We select this one, which is moving average. We select it to open on our chart. This indicator shows the divergence of moving averages, and it contains several histograms that we can see here. We need to change some of its settings. We click on it and open its settings. In the Style section or the Style tab, we uncheck these 2 boxes. A MACD tick is either called a MACD or a signal. We uncheck these 2 boxes and In the input section, we change the fast part to 26 and the slower part to 100, and then we click OK. So how does this indicator work? If the histograms of this indicator, if they are below the zero line, see this horizontal line is 0. If it is below it, it means that we currently have a downward movement, and we are allowed to take sell trades. If these histograms are upwards and are on 0, we are allowed to take buy trades. And they are showing us the upward direction, and we should trade in the direction of the trend. See, friends, for example, here where the cross has occurred, these histograms have also shown us the upward trend, which can be a confirmation for us to trade more confidently. Or, for example, here, friends, see here the cross has occurred for a downward trend, and this part of the histogram has also come below the zero line, which means with this method you can easily determine when to enter a trade to correct the errors that this indicator might have. Look, friends, for example, here it has happened correctly and has gone up again. You can, based on your own strategies, and with the capital management that allows you, determine the rewards for yourself. For instance, if I use this strategy, it usually gives me rewards of 2 or 3, or you can generally decide for yourself which reward to take that would be better for you. As you can see, it was also news time here. We said that during news time, you might not use this strategy at all and just sit and watch the market, and if you have other strategies, you can use them. So with this OTT indicator, we can see that we are not the errors of the indicator. We can capture them, and with valid signals, we can enter the trade. Well, dear friends, if you have liked this strategy so far, be sure to write your opinion in the comments for us and give us a nice like. And if you haven't subscribed to the Persian Digital channel yet, be sure to join us so you can receive the next tutorials as soon as possible. So friends, if you see that the confirmation signals are not aligning and are contradicting each other, we ignore those signals and do not trade them until we can catch the next signals. So friends, if we want to make the best trades and gain more profits, we need to align our trades with market movements. Therefore, you can also use another complementary indicator. So we open the indicator tab, search for the word EMA, and place the moving average exponential on timelines on the chart. I open its settings, and in the section I set the period to 200 and change the color in the style section as desired. Now, for example, I set it to white and make it a bit bolder so you can see it more easily in the image, and I confirm it. This moving average line actually shows us the market or trend direction, indicating that if the more price is more above this moving average, it means we are moving towards an uptrend and the market is bullish. If the price falls below this moving average, it means the market trend is bearish. Most of us know this, and we can combine it with this strategy to get better and more confirmations. Well, friends, I'll summarize this strategy for you once more, and we'll finish this video. When the first indicator's condition was to have a cross, the first indicator we mean is Trader X and Marco. When a cross occurs, the first condition is met. The second condition is that our candle must definitely close below these two lines if it's for a downtrend, and above these two lines if it's for an uptrend. And the third condition was to look at the second indicator to see if it also gives a downtrend signal, which indeed happens and falls below the zero line or not. The next condition was that we said the candles should be below this moving average. At that point, we can say with confidence that we can enter the trade for buy and sell signals. If we're not sure, we can wait until it clearly shows us a good point to enter. Well, my dear friends, this concludes the tutorial on this strategy. I hope you can use it and gain good profits, and until the next videos, may God protect you.